Alright. Hey guys, what's up? And welcome back to my YouTube channel, Awesome Simon Moore. And today I am back up with another video. But yes, and I do have my Pokemon shirt on. Yeah. But I am going to be making some slime, like almost every video. And I probably will be making a lot of more videos this summer because I want y'all to know what I'm going to be doing this summer. But I'm not out of school yet. Oh my god. Tomorrow is Friday. Today is Thursday. And then we have till next Friday. So we have 6 days left of school. So we have tomorrow, and then we have the 5 days next week. And some of those are going to be half days. So, like, we literally don't have a lot of school left. But I'm so excited. I have clear slime with foam beads. But yes, I got from Michael's today and got some slime stuff. And I also made this slime, also with foam beads and sequins. But yes, and here's the paint I mixed to get it. But I need to wash it. Okay. But I just cleaned off my desk. Sorry about that. I had to shut the door. And yes. So I'm going to be cutting open this. It's a taco bouncy ball. It lights up. I had to bounce it to light it up. And it has glitter in it and taco. If I could get it situated. It has a smiley face on it. And I also have one of these, but it has an eyeball in it, but it has like orange rings. But I thought the taco was cooler. So we're going to be making taco slime. Because I can't make eyeball slime. See, there's the smiley face. There. Y'all saw it. Okay, great. But yes. So let's get started. So it has glitter and a bunch of cool stuff in it. So I'm gonna do clear glue. Okay. Alright. I need a mixing bowl. Let's see. Here we go. Okay. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to pour in some clear glue just to the bottom. There we go. So next, you're gonna have to cut this open. Don't know how I'm gonna do this. Wait. I'm scared that it's gonna squirt everywhere. Oh my god, guys. I don't know how I'm gonna do this. I have my glue in there. Oh my goodness. I'm so scared right now. I don't know how it's gonna work. Okay, so I'm just gonna stab it. Like. I wonder if I could stab a hole in it and it like. It's not working. I feel like it's gonna bust and go everywhere. Oh my gosh, I need a knife. I'll be right back with a knife. Alright kids, so you need to be very careful with this because this is a knife. But it's sharper than scissors. This might take a while. freak. Okay. Yeah, I'm not getting anywhere. Okay. Take it. Hold it steady. Get a place. Oh my god, I'm so scared. Oh god. I got a hole in it though. It squirted all over me. Just squirt this water and everything in there. Oh my gosh, the glitter came out. Oh my gosh, this is so cool. But how am I gonna get all the rest of it out? Alright. Be really careful. Oh my gosh, I got the taco. Why isn't it coming out? I can't get it out. Alright, scissors. Okay. Come out, come out. Ugh. Oh my gosh, why? I got it out. Oh my goodness, that is so cool. Look at the tiny taco. Smiley face. All the meat and all that. And the slime. I'm taking a fork. And I'm mixing this all together. I'm gonna have taco slime. Mix this all together, and ow, I did stab my finger and cut it. See that there? I didn't even notice I was bleeding, but I am bleeding. I cut my finger. I don't even know how I did that. Oh well. I'm okay. Just a finger. See that, guys? My bloody finger. What did I do? Oh, that's where the cut is. Okay, now. Take it. How did I cut myself? I don't know. And there's like these yellow glitters and all that, but it's cool. And then I have the taco. Taco slime. Okay. So I need scissors again. Alright, so I'm just going to pretty much cut this open so I can get all the glitter out. Ow, my finger's bleeding. Oh no, the fork fell in. Okay, that is gonna stay in for a second. Okay. I'm gonna get blood in the slime. Okay. Okay. So just mix it, and yeah. My finger hurts. Ow. Okay. But it will light up, I guess. I don't know. I guess. Alright, now it is time for the foam beads. I'm just gonna do some in there. Add in your sour cream. I'm gonna do cooking, the slime cooking. Let's try it out. Alright. Add in your sour cream, your tomatoes. Whatever that red stuff is. We have your cheese. We have your sour cream. Now we need your lettuce. Those sequins would have been good right now. Okay. Yeah. We almost have the whole taco, but you can't forget the sour cream. So we're gonna need some lettuce. Lettuce. Putting in the lettuce, guys. It's just pink glitter. I mean, green glitter. Lettuce. Legit, I just used all my green glitter. Okay, there we go. Okay, there we go. Great, okay. Stir that up. This is so thick still. Okay. Look how thick it is. And now it's green because, like, alright. So we got our lettuce. We got our whatever that red stuff is. Alright, so here we have our taco slime. But it looks really good. Not like that. I don't want to eat it. Now I have blood everywhere. Nah. It's still bleeding. Alright, so now I have to cover my bloody finger. Okay. But yes. Okay, but I literally just made this, but they're both cool. But that's okay. Hey, it cleaned off my fingers from all the blood. But, the little thingy I did, this thing, it is a shark. But it still needs to be in water so it'll get big. All my blood is going into the slime. So now I guess it's time to activate this. Okay. Alright. Give it another stir. Oh, everything is in here. Okay. Oh crap, I don't even need that. Okay. This activator is better. Slime. Okay. Keep mixing until it's fully in. I don't think that's enough activator because, like, I just don't. I don't know. Maybe it is. It's not all coming together yet. But it's going all over my taco. Just stir it on up. I don't think it's activated yet. Splash some more activator in there. More. I think that should be enough. Yeah, totally. I have to do this with my right hand because let's see if it still lights up. I don't know. I can't tell. I don't know. Okay. But I am still going to be mixing this because I don't think it's activated. Yeah, totally no. I love this. It's really nice. Splash more activator. See what happens. It starts coming together, but then it gets all liquidy again. Alright, I'm gonna play with this with both hands. I have to. I have to. But it's getting all bubbly. I don't know. Oh no! I dropped it all. I literally spilled my activator everywhere. Look. It looks so cool. Taco. I'm gonna throw this on the ground and see if it still lights up. I totally am gonna do that. Alright, let's see. Alright, so just keep mixing this. It's still sticky. There we go. Taco slime. Alright, so there we go. is super nice. I really like this slime, but yeah, it still needs more activator. It just makes a bunch of activator into it, and it should not be sticky anymore. Oh my god, it's still sticking to me. Alright, so here is my taco slime. There is the sour cream. It's green because it has the green glitter in it. And that is the lettuce. And then the red stuff is the tomatoes. And then, wait, I forgot about the meat. Oh no. Oops, the thing popped out. But it still lights up. There's glue on it. Hey, there's really glue in it. Let's go back in the taco. Okay. Yeah, there we go. It still lights up, so great. Now my taco slime has a taco. Alright guys, well I'm going to go ahead and end this video. So, yo. I will see you guys in my next video, but I hope you guys enjoyed my taco slime. I really enjoyed this because I've never cut and opened a bouncy ball, even though I did get my cut. Don't know if you can see it because my fingers cut off, but that's the thing from it. Y'all saw it, so yeah. Even though I did get a cut, it's all okay. It'll be okay. But yes, and I really do like that I made this clear because it looks so much cooler. Now I'm just going to put this in a container, let it clear out, and I will see you guys in my next video. So, bye. Subscribe.